Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something very valuable. Olive oil, often called liquid gold, used for centuries in traditional diets. Yet many people still underestimate its value. Let's begin with what makes it special. Olive oil contains healthy fats. These fats support your body. They help your system function more efficiently. One of the most important areas is heart health. Olive oil may support circulation. It helps your blood move smoothly. This supports overall balance. Then comes inflammation. Internal stress affects your body. Olive oil may help reduce this effect. This supports long-term health. Another important benefit is digestion. Olive oil may support your digestive system. It helps your body process food more comfortably. Some people feel improvement over time. Now let's talk about your brain. Healthy fats support brain function. Your mind feels more stable. Focus may improve. Then comes your skin. Olive oil contains antioxidants. These help protect your cells. They support a healthier appearance. Another benefit is energy. Olive oil provides steady fuel. Your body feels more balanced. But here is the truth. Olive oil is still fat. Too much may create imbalance. So moderation is important. Small daily use is enough. Quality also matters. Extra virgin olive oil provides better benefits. Now here is the key idea. Olive oil is not a miracle. It is a daily support. A simple habit. When used consistently, it becomes powerful. Because real health is built from small choices. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.